In this video, I will show you how hackers brute force SSH credentials and then escalate to root privileges, all using Linux. This tutorial is for educational and ethical hacking only. Don't use these techniques on system without permission. Now let's scan the target machine to confirm that SSH for 22 is open. Nmap confirms that SSH is open. This means the target is vulnerable to brute force if weak passwords are used. We'll use Hydra, a powerful tool for brute force attacks. Make sure you have a word list for usernames and passwords, or you can use roq.txt. Hydra tag L user.txt, tag P password.txt, SSH : your target IP address. This command tells the Hydra to try every combination of usernames and passwords against the SSH service. Once Hydra finds the correct credentials, we can log in using SSH. SSH username at target IP. Press enter, then copy the target password and paste it here. You are now inside the victim's machine with a user account. The next step is privilege escalation to root. Let's check if the user has sudo right to escalate to root by typing sudo sudo tag I and enter the sudo password. Now you are root. Here's how to protect your system from SSH brute force and privilege escalation. Use strong password or SSH key authentication. Disable root SSH login. Permit root login no. Limit SSH access by IP firewall. Monitor login attempts with fail to ban. Restrict sudo privileges with care. So that is how hackers brute force SSH login and escalate to root privileges using tools like Hydra. Don't forget, this is for learning and defense, not for harm. If you learned something new, like this video, subscribe and turn on the bell for more ethical hacking tutorial.